So on my way back after we installed the subs, someone reached out because they found my YouTube channel and they were telling me about the truck because I guess the guy and his friend or the previous owner reached out and was like, hey, that's my old truck. And then they started letting me know some more of the stuff that they did. Apparently this had a 4.8, which I knew that, but I guess they swapped over a 5.3 into it, and apparently swapped over like a 6.0 cam. I don't really know if it's any different from the 4.8s and 5.3s, but I guess it had like a full refresh with bearings and gaskets and stuff, and with a high pressure oil pump, and apparently had like heads and a cam before on this motor. That's from what they were saying. They said that there's a few tags on the block somewhere. I think he said CLS or someone drew. Oh man. You said to look on the engine somewhere for the stamping, but let's see if we can find it. He was saying that the long tube headers are from Speed Engineering. It has 862s, and if so, then 862s are over here. But I'm looking for where he would have said that it stamped somewhere. I don't really know. I did know that the heads were off at one time because later on, after I bought the truck on a previous video, I was looking at the head bolts, and I think like this has a black head bolt down here, and then I think on this side, yeah, it's a white head bolt down there, or a gray. I was like, oh, looks like the heads came off at one time. I knew it was not the right heads because it has 862s and it's supposed to have 799s. Well, I'm looking around and I can't find where that guy was saying that the block was stamped. I'll have to find out from him to see if he knows where, but I'll include some of the conversations we had and some of the photos. But so I guess this thing's a 5.3, so probably explains why it runs so good. I thought this 4.8 was just a good running 4.8, but it's a 5.3, so that makes more sense. This is the absolute lowest this goes. All right. There's no like shaking or anything. And smack it on LED 6. You hear everything shaking outside. You hear everything shaking out here. It's kind of ridiculous. Dude, they're ridiculous. Thanks for watching, guys. Like and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys next time. See you guys later.